Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Your anchor person Sidra Saqib live from Saudi Arabia with breaking news. ISPR General Nadeem Raza chairman joint chief of staff committee visited Army Air Defense range near Karachi and witnessed firing of different air defense weapon system and surface to air missile stamps including LY-80 missiles and FM-90 missiles. Air Chief Marshal Zahir Ahmed Babar Sindhu, Chief of the Air Staff and HE Non-Rong China Ambassador to Pakistan also witnessed the exercise. The firing marked the culmination of Army Air Defense Exercise Al-Baza. The government will curb the Chinese mafia with the force of law. Firdaus Ashik, the Prime Minister, has conveyed the message that no one is above the law by indicating accountability from his closed colleagues. The members accompanying him also went to abide by the law. The Chief Minister strengthened the relationship of the government with the workers. We have given life to the dead horse of the Labour Department, Lahore. April 7, Special Assistant to the Punjab Chief Minister Dr. Firdaus Ashik Awan has said that the provincial government is committed to eradicate the Chinese mafia. The government will curb this mafia by the force of law. Charsadar DPO Charsadar Zabiullah Khan visited to District Court security arrangement, reviewed necessary instructions regarding security issue, visited the District Court and took a detailed look at the security arrangement there. DPO Charsadar Zabiullah Khan visited various watch towers and checkpoints, met the police personnel stations there and appreciated their enthusiasm. Pakistan Muslim League and Riyadh Region Labour Wing President Mohammad Ramzan Butt hosted a luncheon in honor of PMLN Saudi Arabia Central President Malik Manzoor Hussain Awan. Mia Muhammad Tariq Junaid Chairman Riyadh Region Malik Rashid Parvez Awan President Pakistan Muslim League Youth Wing Riyadh Osama Tariq Vice President Labour Wing Shabir Hussain Supera Muzammil Hussain Supera Tariq Mahmood and others also attended. Honorable Nawaf Sayed Al Malkai, Ambassador of Saudi Arabia to Pakistan, called on Interior Minister Sheikh Rashid Ahmed discussion on issue of mutual interest including Saudi Arabia relation, discussion regarding the accused in the 2011 assassination of a Saudi diplomat in Karachi. The killing of Saudi diplomat in Pakistan is the worst act of terrorism. The incident was apparently aimed at spoiling Pakistan-Saudi Arabia relations. Arrested including fake magistrate accomplice. A fake magistrate named Liaquat Ali was arrested by Kahna police in Lahore along with his accomplices. Taj Muhammad. A case was also registered against the accused for exporting a vehicle with blue light and green number plate, fake fine book card and cash. Liaqatpur, a mock drill was conducted by the National Highway and Motorway Police. This was done so that the link, cooperation and professional activities of the aid agencies could be reviewed. Rescue 1122 Liaqatpur ambulance with paramedical staff and Muhammad Akram shift in charge took part in the mock exercise and timely response. Practical demonstration of shifting patient to district hospital through patient transfer service for advanced treatment after injury, bandage, hospital shifting and medical treatment. Mukhtar Ahmed Astal's proclaimed newspaper vendor who has been blind for 17 years broke his leg in an accident Despite being blind, Ahmed has been selling newspaper for 17 years to support his family. Mukhtar Ahmed also has a brother and a sister who are blind. A few years ago, Mukhtar Ahmed was selling newspaper when his leg was broken in an accident due to a collision with an unnamed car. An important meeting was held under the chairmanship of Deputy Commissioner Vihari Mubin Alahi regarding wheat procurement, in which a target of 128,000 metric tons has been set. An important meeting was held under the chairmanship of Deputy Commissioner Mubin Alahi regarding wheat procurement across the district. Additional Deputy Commissioner Revenue Ashfaqur Rahman, District Food Controller Farooq Shehzad, and farmer representatives attended the meeting. The Deputy Commissioner said that the wheat procurement process would start from April 12 and the target for this year is 128,000 metric tons. Dr. Firdaus Ashik Awan inaugurates Computerized Land Record Center, Muslim Town. ADCR and Deputy Tehsildar Zulfikar Khan briefed about Computerized Land Record. Firdaus Ashik Awan said that all possible facilities would be provided to the citizens. An important meeting of senior women leaders of Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf (PTI) Jeddah was held at a local restaurant, which was chaired by former Youth Secretary Yasmin Ijaz. Was former Cultural Secretary PTI Jeddah Abida Javed performed the duty of Directorate. Former Deputy Secretary Social Welfare Shumaila Shehzad called for full membership in the coming days in a meeting to discuss party election strategy and other party matters in detail. Rabi Sajid and former Women's Secretary Jeddah City Sarai Khamar expressing his views. He said that we will win the inter-party election.